Yes, sir. Day one, Mountain Creek Mine. Gold mine. Down. Check this out. These little damn things are everywhere. Oh, his legs just went straight back and stiff. Like he's sick or something. Oh, man.
I am dead.
He is?
That's a frog? Yeah, I think they play dead to be safe. What kind of frog is that? What, a 30th?
This is what I ran today. These are some 50-year-old high bankers. These are from a long, long time ago and still being used today. I stood here all day with that hose, washing gravels down that hole. And it was pretty sweet. I ran my high banker over there for about an hour, hour and a half. Didn't turn out too swell. Too much work with that shovel. I mean, I got a good amount of gold for the amount of dirt I moved, but man, with that shovel killed my damn back. But look at all that quartz, y'all. Every damn rock is a fucking piece of quartz. There's quartz out here. Where's it at? And there's a lot of quartz out here. They say that all the gold is in the quartz, but I mean, look at this trommel. This thing is sweet. Obviously, the box isn't 50 years old, but it's old. Right down there's the crash where it all splashes, and that's where I got this North Carolina nugget. Probably .10, probably. North Carolina nugget. Such a beautiful day here. I'm gonna be here for 3 days probably. Back in the creek tomorrow with the dredge. Boom. Got me some nice shirts. Beastie. People have a good time out here. God doing donuts. Don't get in trouble. You're being recorded.